Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2012 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. It looks great. You got that chrome accenting on your grille at front there, and your halogen headlights with your chrome bumper. Coming around the side here we do have our 17-inch rims with our tires there, the BF Goodrich tires. They look great, lots of tread left on them. You do also have your heated exterior tow mirrors with the turning signals right here, so you can lift it up just like that. Then you got even more room there to see. Coming all the way around to the back, you got a 5-foot box back here. You got the chrome bumper as well. You can open this guy up right here. Looks great back here. Does have the spray and box liner as well, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. You got your handle, another handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great in here. Very nice and spacious, very comfortable seats. This guy does lean it back. And then over here we do have the controls over our lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here, and our trailer brake just down here. And then up here we do have the control over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start out. Foot on the brake, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Alright, in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We do have our battery and oil life there as well. In the center it does say the fuel economy, but you can switch that around to our tire, KPA, vehicle info, our messages. We also have our units, our system setup, and you can turn the menu off as well. That is control from right here with your Bluetooth options. Horn in the center and cruise control right there. Gear shift is right up here, just like that. And then right in the center here we do have our radio, so it does have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you have your disc or aux cord, your seek options, your Bluetooth options, as well as your info, forward and rewind, volume up and down. You also have your eject and your time, power off and on. You have your presets down here, list, music type, and setup, and then your audio right there. And then down here we do have our tow and haul mode, our traction control, and our hazard lights. Power up and down for the climate control, as well as circulation, your temperature control, and you do have where it's going to blow out of, plus your defrosts. And then right over here we do have the control over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. A little bit of storage here. Just down here we can open that guy up, and there is our cup holders. Some storage here, and our armrest doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there as well. You can lift this guy up, and there is another seat underneath, so it does seat 6 people all together. And then over here we got our top and bottom layers for our glove boxes. Lots and lots of room in there as well. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have your handle, control over your windows, handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great back here as well. Very spacious. It does seat 3 people back here, so 6 people altogether. And you do have some storage just underneath there. As well, you do have your cup holders. And right underneath the floor mats here, you do have some additional storage. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2012 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.